Foxley Show. I want to tell you something really quick. I know about FNAF, but if you dare me to do, I play FNAF, Five Nights at Freddy's 2. But actually, oh my God, you scared me. Actually, I'm not gonna play. When I'm a teenager, Ninja Turtle. That means teenager. When I'm a teenager, I can do it. Okay? Well, I'm 8 years old. I'm in 2nd grade. I'm in elementary school. You know that nest right there? It's about a story I just did funny right there, that nest. Okay, so it's right there in that big tree. And one time I was in my bike and I crashed in this tree. So then the mom bird and the little baby birds were in the nest, and mom's get so mad. She was like right there. And then she was following me. She was like, "Caca, caca." I'm like, and she almost gave me a heart attack. So I keep running until she didn't find me. Because you know what? I was inside the car. So yeah, please subscribe and comment below. Comment right there, like bottom of the video, if my story was funny, because it's kind of scary, because I was afraid of birds. Please subscribe. Bye.